kind of windy here. This is the perfect hiking weather. It's warm, but it's breezy and it's overcast. Anyway, if you watched my last video, you know this one is going to be my hike into False Cape State Park. I put a few clips in my last video, but like I wanted to kind of make this its own vlog, if you will. So yeah, that's what's happening. We're about to hike like 10-12 miles today. It's gonna be awesome. How sad I couldn't bring Silas. There's a heron over there. Are you alive, little man? Oh, he moved. Are you okay? I don't know. Okay, I hope you're okay and you were just, you know, on your back. Okay, bye. I'm pretty sure that turtle was dead. How sad. I have the violent urge to pee, and there's still 1.5 miles to the bathroom, so this is great. I made it to the visitor center and a toilet. I'm so excited. Yes. stickers have been secured. Also got ice cream. Next stop, the ocean. We're also already 5 miles into this hike. Actually exactly 5 miles. And I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was only like 2.5 miles from the Back Bay Wildlife Refuge to the visitor center. I was very wrong. But like, I'm not mad about that. I'm a little upset that it's kind of colder than I was thinking it was gonna be. But again, no bugs, so I can't complain. I think I may have gotten whiplash from that wind. Not gonna lie, the wind is a little crazy, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna try and find another beach access point, like 2 miles this way, I think, and I'll be at another part of the beach. I don't know. I'm just kind of, we'll see what happens. What's another 2 miles, right? It's starting to rain. That's a beautiful fucking sight right there. Final mileage count. 16.44 miles. I need a beer now.